Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best hanging planter retractable hook on the market, the Lythor 4-pack plant hook pulley. Whether you're dealing with hanging flower baskets, potted plants, or even bird feeders, this little gadget might just become your favorite garden companion. If you're tired of dragging out a ladder just to water your hanging plants or refill your bird feeder, keep watching. This retractable hanger promises to eliminate that hassle completely, and we put it to the test. Each hanger in the 4-pack is built with a strong nylon rope, stainless steel hook, and a durable plastic shell. It's designed to handle weights up to 10 kilograms. The finish is clean and polished, giving it a subtle, practical look without taking away from your garden aesthetics. Installation is straightforward with the self-tapping screw hooks, which can be twisted into wood, drywall, or plywood without needing power tools. Here's how it functions. The retractable system works in reverse compared to a seat belt. There are about 8 height positions, spaced roughly 10 centimeters apart. The key is in the speed. Pull the rope slowly to lock it in place at the desired height. Pull it fast and it retracts all the way. So, if you want to stop midway, take your time and go slow. This product truly shines when in action. With it, you can safely hang your plant or feeder up high, then pull it down easily for watering or feeding. No balancing acts, no risky ladders. Adjusting the height is simple, just pull to reposition. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, it's versatile enough to support whatever you're hanging. There are 2 things you should keep in mind. First, the load should be between 1.2 to 10 kilograms. Too light or too heavy won't work well with the internal spring mechanism. Second, always pull the rope gently when adjusting the height to ensure it locks properly where you want it. Use it for hanging ferns in your living room, tomato baskets on your porch, or bird feeders in your backyard. The safety and flexibility it provides are unmatched, and with a 4-pack, you can outfit your whole garden space or share with friends. So, is the Lythor plant hook pulley worth it? Absolutely. With its sturdy build, user-friendly operation, and clever design, it delivers a simple solution to an everyday problem. Whether you're a gardener, a bird lover, or just someone who loves an organized space, this is a must-have. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of clever products. See you next time.